The heart beats 100,000 times per day, pumps 60 to 100 times per minute, and pushes 1.5 gallons of blood per minute. That's 2,000 gallons a day. Like a car engine, the heart makes everything go. The ventricles fire off like pistons, while the heart's electrical system ignites like spark plugs to keep everything moving. When anything is out of sync and the engine knocks or keeps revving, doesn't turn over, or you're struggling to go uphill, you might have heart trouble. Those pistons could have arrhythmia issues. Your spark plugs might need a boost, or maybe you just need a bit of a tune-up. Maintenance is a part of life. When those miles add up, you've got to pay attention. Check for shortness of breath. Check on any noises. Check if you're ever just chugging along. Check your engine. Check your heart.